Now I will work with the sponsor categories section. You will see that in the sponsor HTML page, if you go to the pages, then sponsors, all the sponsors are coming here. So each sponsor is under a particular category. For example, gold sponsor, platinum sponsor, etc. are sponsor category names, and each sponsor has a name and has a description. Each sponsor category has a name and description, and under each sponsor there are some logos here, and if you click on any particular sponsor, then you will be taken to the sponsor detail page, and all the data are given here for the sponsor detail. So first I am going to work with the sponsor categories, and then I will work with the sponsor section. Now I am going to the sidebar, and in the sidebar you will see that there is a speaker section. I have worked with this. Now I will work with the sponsor section, and if I want to show you the output, you will see that home page, and this was the speaker section, and this was the home page. And the icon here you can use, for example, as this is a speaker is a person, so here in the case of speaker section, here I can call FA tie. So if you want to show this, FA user tie. So let's check it. Yes, this is a speaker section and it looks good. Similarly, I am going to copy this one again, and now I will create a section that is a sponsor section. So here I call here, for example, I am going to remove all. So a sponsor category, a sponsor category.php, and here I am going to give the name that is a sponsor category, and here I call a sponsor category here, and then remove all other items. Now let's check it, and here you see the icon. Here I am going to give users cog or something like that. So refresh. Yes, home page, not home page, it is actually the sponsor section, a sponsor section like this. Now you see a sponsor section and a sponsor category, and there will be a sponsor. There is no sponsor right now, but a sponsor category I will work with. Now I am going to my table, and here I am going to create a table that is a sponsor categories. So a sponsor categories table, and ID is a first item, then there will be a name, and then there will be description. So total 3 items will be here. I am going to give here the ID, and then category name, and then category description. Description will be text area, and name will be varchar 255 for example, and first one will be primary, and description can be nullable field, so I make it nullable. Click on save. So now you will see a sponsor categories table is here, and only 2 items. So one is name and another one is description. Now I am going to create a page into the admin that is a sponsor category, a sponsor category.php page. So here I call it here, and like all other items, for example, that is what I can copy, the scheduled day I can copy. So copy the scheduled day from here, and a sponsor category I am going to paste it. This is a sponsor categories as the headline, and here will be a sponsor category add.php. it will go there, and here it will be the name, and if you want you can show the description also here, name and description. So like this, description, and this is the thing. Okay, so name, description you can put here, and here I can take all the data from the sponsor categories table, order by, here I am going to give ID. But if you want, you can create another field that will be item order or something like that. It depends. So select all from sponsor categories, order by ID ASC, and here I will show the name and description. Name, and this one will be description. So this one will be NL to BR to show in a good format here, and this one is not needed. I am going to remove it. So name, description, and here it will be a sponsor category edit and a sponsor category delete. So this page task is done. Now if I go here, refresh, you see a sponsor section, click on a sponsor category. This is the page, and now I am going to copy the schedule day at, for example. I am going to copy the data from here, and like the sponsor category, I am going to create a file into the admin, that is a sponsor then category add.php. okay, so here paste it. So this page will be add a sponsor category. So this one will be add a sponsor category, and here you will be a sponsor category.php. This is the page, and here only two fields. One will be name here, that will be here the name, and another one will be description. So here description you can give, and this will be a text area. So I put it text area, class form control, and height 200 for example, and here the name will be description, but this is not a mandatory field, so I am going to remove the asterisk. Now this is the submit. So when format, I will check if the name is given, so the name cannot be empty. If you want, you can check the duplicate for the name, that by the same category name another sponsor will not be here. You can do it, or any other, no problem. So here it will be a sponsor categories table, and two item, that is name, and another one is description. So like this, and here placeholder will be two items, one is name here and another one is here description. The last one will not be here. Okay, so data insert is successful, and here a sponsor category .php, and if there is any error, then a sponsor category add.php, and all other things should work now, I hope. I am going to refresh. If I click here, add a sponsor category, name and description. If you want, you can give here. The field is a bit long, it will not be so much long, so here I am going to put the height as 100. So if I refresh, the height is this, and this is perfect. Now I am going to copy this on and paste it here as sponsor, and this is for the for example the description. Okay, now if I click on submit, you will see data insert is successful. Another one I can add here, that is the platinum sponsor. So just go here, platinum sponsor, and similarly here I am going to copy the description here, that is this, submit. And another one I am going to add for a test, and without any description. It is also possible that a category can have the description that is empty, so empty description is possible here. So the category section is working. I can add and show the sponsor categories. Now I am going to work with the edit section here, and in order to edit the sponsor category, I am first going here, and here you see a sponsor category edit.php id equal to this is already there. So I will need a file, that is the sponsor category edit.php, and in the edit I am going to copy the same thing that was in the add, so paste it here. So only this one I will change. So this one I will change by a sponsor schedule day edit, for example. So what was there, I am going to copy the code from here like this, and the sponsor category edit in the top I am going to paste it, and here is edit a sponsor category, and a sponsor category, this one is okay, and here is form update. So form update is good here, this one, and the name will be update, for example. So update, and the name here value will be the existing value. That means here you can call echo result of 0 of name. So like this. Similarly, I am going to copy this, and in the text area here middle I am going to put, that is description. Okay, so when this will be actually the table name I am going to change, that is a sponsor categories, where id equal to this one is a sponsor category. So like this, And here form update, first one will be here name, so name cannot be empty, and description is optional, so I am going to remove all others. A sponsor categories table, here update will be name and another one will be description. So last one is not needed, order is not needed here. So name, description, data update successful, and it will back the user to the sponsor category, sponsor category.php when successful, and when error, sponsor category edit.php. in this page it will be redirected again, and this is sponsor categories. So okay, I hope everything should work now. Refresh, you see test. I am going to check it. So like this, update, you see this is updated, so it means it is working. Now I am going to create another file here into the admin, that is sponsor category delete.php. So I am going to the any kind of delete operation, for example speaker delete, I am going to copy, and here into the sponsor category delete I am going to paste. Speakers, it is sponsor categories. I am going to check if it is real or not, otherwise it will take you back to the sponsor category page. And here no photo is here, so I am going to remove it, and this table is a sponsor category, it will be deleted. Delete from this table where id equal to this request id, and here it will back again to the sponsor category.php page. So let's check it, refresh. If I now want to delete it, okay, you see data is deleted, so it is working. I am going to test it again using a test. So test like this, okay, submit, it is added. Now let's show the sponsors into the sponsors page. You see this is actually the HTML, this is the main project, but here this one is linked as the HTML. So for the sponsor page I am going to the front end, and here I am going to create the sponsors, you see sponsors.php, right? So I will have to link it first, so I am going to close all the data from here. I am going to close all. Okay, so in the layout, that means in the front end layout there is a nav, I am going there, and here you see this is a sponsors.html. Here I am going to put php echo base URL, and here sponsors for example. So I will have to add into the htaccess speakers. I am going to copy and paste it here, it will be sponsors. So now I can call it here, that is without .php I can call it sponsors. So it is okay. Now the link up is done. Now I am going to refresh it. I am going to click here sponsors. Okay, photos are not getting and these are static. Now I am going to make the things dynamic in that page. So in my sponsors.php I am coming here, and you see all this thing is okay. Now this is the gold sponsor, then some data, then another sponsor, in this way. So I am going to put here the query php, and here php select. I am going to show select all from sponsor categories. So select all from sponsor categories, where actually not where, it will be order by id ascending order, and here this is not needed because I want to get all the data. Total not needed, for example, and here I am going to remove it, php, and this data I am going to put here, that is this one. So first this one will be shown, and then under this row what data that will be shown under after that. So here the rest one will be shown here. Similarly, another one will come and then another data will be there. So the last one or second one I am going to remove from here. Okay, so this is my code, very fresh and neat and clean code. And now instead of gold sponsors, I have the name in my hand of the database. So PHP echo row of, here I am going to put that is a sponsor name, and here it will be description. So PHP echo row of description, and it will be shown into good format if someone make it formatted. So here I put NL to BR. And the other data that are given here, that means under is a sponsor category, there will be sponsors, and that sponsors will be shown. I cannot show it right now because I did not implement it yet in the admin panel. So after my implementation that in the admin panel, I can show the data here. But you see the page data is okay. If you refresh, you see gold, platinum and test coming. Okay, so gold, platinum and test means it is actually coming from here. So you can name change here, for example, gold sponsors on, and then you see after refresh one coming. That means how you will change it here, what you will change, that will be affected into the front end.